Today I'm going to show you how to make the old-fashioned cocktail. First you'll want to have 3 ingredients. So you'll want to have a bit of rye or bourbon. I'm going to use Crown Royal in this instance. It's what I'm used to. Some Angostura aromatic bitters. They come with this special paper labeling. And sugar cubes, any sort of sugar cubes. And water or club soda for a little dash. So then you'll want to start with a single sugar cube. Place it into the cup. And then add a little bit of the Angostura bitters, as I mentioned before. And add a bit of the club soda, just a dash, just so it's Next you want to grind it up into a paste, a fine paste. After grinding that up, next you want to add 2 ounces of the Crown Royal, rye or bourbon. Place into the glass. Then add a bit of ice. Next you want to stir it. And mind you, you'll want to stir it for quite a while in order that the sugar dissolves correctly. And lastly, you will filter it into your glass. Some people enjoy putting a slice of orange or cherry in the drink, but personally I just do it as it is. I hope this video was informative, and I hope to see you again next time.